Today I'm going to show you guys how to achieve this lime green liquid look here. And also you already know I'm using the gold, oh gosh. I'm using the Goals of Glitter palette. I'm currently using the green color. Let me see what's the name of it. We're going to call this Jumping Green. So, how the glitter looks. And we're going to just get to this eye. So, y'all know I'm using the crown case. I'm going to use the yellow, this right here, and this right here. So those three colors to create that, lime green look. And do our thing with it.
Mom.
Yeah?
I want the Ranger car.
You want the Ranger's car?
No.
Since I missed St. Patrick's Day, I have to come through with a look for y'all. So that's it right there. Now I'm going to I'm just going to use a little concealer. I'm using concealer because I don't have any like glitter glue or whatever, so I feel like this will let the glitter stick. So I'm just going to take this right here and just get create a little crease for it. And it should stick. I'm going to go into this glitter right here. All of the glitter just, well, not all of it. Some of it just basically spilled out. So, I might as well use what spilled, right? You know what? I got some. So, it's going to take it. And hopefully, it sticks. Well, I'm going to use this eyeliner. And do a cute little wing. You already know. If you are a true subscriber, you know I've been rocking out with the Fit Me Maybelline Matte Poreless collection. So I don't really need a lot. I do not color correct these days. I just put my makeup on and go about my business, okay?
like pink.
My favorite highlight that you can see. I really only use this one. This is bronze, which is literally my favorite. Super cute. Go with this Anastasia Beverly Hills Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Powder Duo in dark brown. I'm just gonna fill in like my eyes, like up here, just a little bit, like nothing crazy. Just so you can know I have some eyebrows, basically.
I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
Thank you, baby.
It's pretty.
It's pretty. Oh, you're so sweet, Aiden. So boom, the finished look. I would spray my face, but lately I haven't been feeling that setting spray, so I'm not going to do it. Yes, this is my synthetic wig. I need to throw some curls in it, but right now I'm just lazy. I'm not going nowhere. I'm literally in the crib today, so give y'all some cleavage fun.